Good morning, dear. Today we are going to discuss about poverty as a challenge. Chapter 3 from Economics. And dear, it is really, it is fact. Poverty is challenges for a nation or for our nation also. It is main challenge कि many times they unable to arrange their daily needs item whatever. They unable to provide better health facilities for their children, poor people. Poor people they unable to provide education system, good education for their children. So it is the challenges for us. It is challenges for our government also. It is challenges for the those people who are facing that problem. It is challenges, no doubt. It challenge for us. But first in our country, whosoever people are poor, their list should be purified. Purified means that it should be such government officer make a list through the honestly whosoever person are poor. Many times what happens, there are many people who are not poor but they are taking the benefit of the such scheme. Okay, so in this chapter we'll discuss about what is the poverty and how to estimate the poverty and what are the different indicators of poverty, how to we can say such person is poor or not, indicators of poverty. Later on we'll discuss the social exclusion and who are the vulnerable group in, and later on we'll discuss about anti-poverty programs. There are two case study given in your book from a rural area, another one from the urban area. So rural area and urban area case study, whosoever person are poor, and what are the anti-poverty programs which launched by the government will discuss in this chapter here. Okay, first one is the what is poverty? So how do we estimate the poverty line? Okay, dear. So there are many people who are unable to arrange their basic needs, whatever health or shelter facilities like this. Such person we can consider the poor. Okay. So indicators of poverty: lack of the safe drinking water facility. If any one people who are not getting the proper or safe drinking water facility, we can consider the poor. And lack of the job opportunities, suppose any one person who unable to find out the job, such person we can consider the poor. That are the indicator. If any one person is lack of the access of the health facilities, healthcare facilities, such person we can consider the poor. If anyone is the illiteracy level, that is also indicator of indicators of poverty. So these are the indicators which are the sign of the poverty. Which are the sign of the poverty? First, suppose in any area people are not getting the proper safe drinking water facilities in that area. So such society we can consider the poor society. These are the indicators. Why we are not, why we are unable to provide the safe drinking water facility in that area. So these are the indicators. On the basis of that, we can't say that such community is poor. But these are the indicator. If anyone community is not getting the proper safe drinking water facility, this is the indicators of the poverty. Second one, if anyone society is anyone person who is not getting the job, we can consider the poverty indicator. If lack of access of the healthcare facilities, it is the indicators of poverty. Illiteracy level, illiteracy level also indicators of poverty. In any one area, 26% people are illiterate. It is the not good sign for a nation. And sanitations, that is also indicators of water. So these are the indicators which are decided by the scientists. These are the indicators of poverty. Okay. Now next is the what is the social exclusion and who are the vulnerable group. Okay. This is the important topic, important point. So social exclusion means what? Social exclusion. Social exclusion means in given in your book, the poor having the live only in poor surrounding with the poor people. Simple. How? Suppose social exclusion, poor people are living in such slum bastis, slum juggies or slum areas. There is no such proper education, health facilities in that area. There is the lack of facilities, public facilities. There is no such transport developed in that area, no such electricity facilities, no such good schools available in that area, no medical facilities available in that area. So what happens if any poor people are living in such social exclusion? In such poor social exclusion, children unable to got such facilities and in future they become poor. What happens if my children is not getting proper health, proper education facilities, proper medical facilities, so it become a poor. Okay, it can't compete with the such people, such children who are living in the such societies which is the prosperous, which is the wealthy. Another one, social exclusion. If anyone such multi-story buildings are located in that area, multi-story buildings, and there is a lot of facilities. You know, there are private hospitals are located in that area. English medium schools are located in that area. Safe drinking water facility located, good electricity 24 hours electricity supply in that area. So these are the two social exclusion. One is the poor locality where the poor people are living. Another one the rich locality where the rich persons are living in that area. So children become a more developed who are living in the rich area, who are living in the rich localities. Their children is more developed compared to that. Why? Because they are able to provide the basic facilities for their children. Such children can't compete with the dead children. During that, what happens? Such populations are poor in future also and they become rich और इनके बच्चे और रिच होते जाएंगे तो what happens there is the social exclusion if government may be provide such facilities in that area good schools English medium schools should be in that areas good private health facilities public health facilities should be available safe drinking water facility in that area so their children maybe get the scope for development तो इनके बच्चों को भी एक स्कोप मिलेगा अपने आप को ग्रोथ करने के लिए ओके तो दे में बी रिड्यूस द पॉवर्टी लाइन वो पॉवर्टी लाइन को रिड्यूस करके थोड़ा सा बाहर निकलेंगे तो मेनी टाइम ये सोशल एक्सक्लूजन इज द अनदर वन रीजन फॉर पॉवर्टी लाइन एक गरीब बच्चा ऐसी सोसाइटी में रहता है जहाँ पे कोई फैसिलिटी नहीं होती है तो गरीब ही रह जाता है अगर गवर्नमेंट इन एरिया में फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करे तो इससे और भी डेवलप या बच्चे की ग्रोथ होने के चांसेस होंगे तो सोशल एक्सक्लूजन इज द वन रीजन फॉर ए पॉवर्टी if in our country such poor people are living in the poor area there is no such facilities available in that area these people are living in such area where is the all the facility available in that area their living standard will be high so their children will be growth will be higher than the dead children okay so that is the social exclusion poor social exclusion this social locality exclusion so that is known as the social exclusion which is a reason for poverty. Okay, dear. Another word is the vulnerability, means the vulnerable group. So, category are vulnerable, and what are this is the another one reason for poverty. Okay, anyone ST, SC, handicapped, female population, widow. Like this is the group of such people which are the female populations, widow, physical handicap, PHP is the physical handicap, ST scheduled tribe, SC like. So you know if anyone natural disaster may be in any area, anyone epidemic may be like a COVID-19, so such people unable to recover themselves from the such natural disaster. कोई भी ट्रेजेडी कोई भी नेचुरल डिजास्टर किसी एरिया में होता है और मे बी द इकोनॉमिकल डिप्रेशन इन्फ्लेशन डिप्रेशन होता है तो सच कम्युनिटी like a scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, physical handicap, widow, female, landless. We can add the landless also in that. So such community unable to recover their self from that. So in futures, what happen in coming year, they become poor. In futures, in coming year, they become poor. After 3 or 5 years, they become poor. Why? Because if they lost their job during the COVID-19, such community unable to find their job. Such community may be doing the loading work, labor work, some may be engaged in the farming activities, some may be doing the such job. So during the COVID-19, their job may be affected और there were no such income sources apart from that only. उनके अलावा कोई इनकम सोर्सेज के उनके पास सोर्सेज नहीं है, इनकम सोर्सेज नहीं है. देयर वर नो सच रिसोर्सेज, इनके पास रिसोर्सेज भी नहीं होते बेटा. अब जब रिसोर्सेज नहीं होंगे, देयर वर नो सच रिसोर्सेज, थ्रू दिस दे कैन रिकवर देयर सेल्फ. उनके पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है अपने आप को रिकवर करने के लिए, और उनके पास जॉब भी नहीं है प्रेजेंट टाइम. तो देन व्हाट हैपेंस इन कमिंग ईयर, 4-5 ईयर के बाद या 2-3 ईयर्स, वो क्या होंगे, और ज्यादा पोर होते जाएंगे. तो दैट इज द अनदर वन रीजन, दैट इज वल्नरेबल ग्रुप इज द अनदर वन रीजन फॉर a poverty. If another one community have the another one resources, suppose any one person may be suffered during the COVID-19 or natural disaster, so he or she has the another one resources, he may be sold his or her property और वॉट एवर इनकम सोर्सेज. तो उनके कहीं ना कहीं अदर सोर्सेज भी होते हैं इनकम के, लेकिन ऐसे क्रिटिकल हैंडीकैप्ड है, विडो है, फीमेल है, लैंडलेस है, सी मे बी वर्क ऑन अदर फील्ड. इनके पास कोई वर्क नहीं होता, लैंड नहीं होती बेचारे पास, तो ये क्या करेंगे, दे वर्क ऑन द अदर फील्ड. और ड्यूरिंग द कोविड-19 इफ दे अनेबल टू गो देयर जॉब, then what happens, they become poor in coming years. आने वाले समय में और ज्यादा poor हो जाएंगे. तो जो resources इनके पास होते हैं, like suppose anyone has the cattle 1 or 2, or like anyone has the some resources, like, तो they may be sold their resources during the such disaster. जैसे आपने 6th-7th में we have studied earlier, there were the many such example in this, in your NCERT book given, where the for a better treatment, you know, one character has sold her cattle to the such money lenders for a मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट फॉर हर डॉटर. उसकी बच्ची के लिए मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट लेने के लिए उसको अपने केटल को सोल्ड आउट करना पड़ा. तो दिस आर द मेनी एग्जांपल. देयर आर नो सच रिसोर्सेज. दिस ग्रुप इज नोन एज द वल्नरेबल ग्रुप. तो दिस आर द टू रीजंस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड व्हिच इंडिकेट व्हिच आर द रीजंस फॉर द causes for the poverty. One is the vulnerable group or another one is the social exclusion. So this is the vulnerable group: ST, SC, physical handicap, female, widow, landless, like who have no such other income sources, or any epidemic, any disaster, natural disaster, human-made disaster may become in that area, they unable to recover their self through the such tragedy, or they become poor in coming years. That is known as the vulnerable group. What are the causes of poverty? What are the main causes? What are? First is our population growth rate. That is the main causes of the poverty. Population growth rate is the too much high. Our nation is the second largest populated nation after China, or we may be cross the China after coming years. So you know, first causes for a population, for a poverty, that is population growth rate. You know, Asia continent is the largest populated continent, and you know there are most of 10 nations in a world which are having the 60% world population. There are 10 countries which are having the 60% population of the world, like China, India, Japan, USA, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, like this. So these are most of countries are located in Asia. So our continent is the populated. So our country is second largest populated nation, or we are at the second place in population. Or what area of a world we are having? 2.4%. वर्ल्ड का कितना एरिया हमारे पास है? ओनली 2.4%. तो फर्स्ट कॉजेस इज द high population growth rate. In our country, high population growth rate. So you know population growth rate are two types. One is the natural growth rate. Another one, actual growth rate. So these are not in your chapter, but in syllabus. So can you describe it? What is the natural growth rate and what is the actual growth rate? Second one is the agriculture sector has failed. Second, causes of poverty, agriculture sector. Our agriculture sector has totally failed to provide the job for all, to provide the job facilities for all. You know, in agriculture sectors, there are many reasons why this sector has failed due to the climatic condition. Many times, you know, heavy rainfall during the harvesting, hailstorm during the harvesting. So one is the climate factor, which destroy the crop. Sometimes agriculture crop may be destroyed by the insects. Sometimes it may be destroyed by the different disease. Sometimes what happens, you know, this kind unemployment is common in agriculture sector. That's why that increase the unemployment in our country. You know, if there are 5 people are working, but there is the need of 3 people, so 2 persons are disguised in this. It means they are not putting their full potential energy in that work. So you know another one. Uneven distribution of land is the another one factor. Uneven distribution of land is the another one causes of uneven distribution of land. So that is the another one causes of poverty. Uneven distribution of land is the another one causes of poverty. There are many people who are living in the poor area or maybe in rural area. They have no such land. They are landless. So that is the another one causes. Uneven distribution of 20% population having the 80% land and 80% population are having the 20% land. That is the uneven distribution of land. Third is the social factor also one causes. Many times what happens, social factor during the birthday, during the marriage, during the any social functions, we invest unnecessary. We invest the money unnecessary without any reason. After suppose after that there are many trend कि डेथ के बाद कितनी बार ये किया जाता है मैरिज में unnecessary money we waste. So these are the social factor which is the one causes of the poverty. So today here we have discussed the causes of poverty also. One is the high population growth rate, first causes. Second one is the agriculture sector has failed. Third causes is the uneven distribution of land. Fourth causes is the social factor. Or out of four, there is one causes of social causes of the poverty. Colonial period is also one causes of the poverty because due to the high exploitation of our natural resources, we are poor. So these are the different causes. And after in next tomorrow we'll discuss here about the anti-poverty program which is launched by the government. So dear, have a good day. Happy Makar Sankranti. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.
Thank